If you want a radiant, a glowing, and a lighter skin complexion, but you don't know the right products to pair together in order to achieve that, then guys, this video is for you. I noticed that a lot of people don't know the right body lotion, body wash, bar soap, or glow oil to pair together in order to achieve their desired skin tone or their skin complexion. Guys, that is what this video is all about. On this video, I'm going to be sharing three powerful combos ranging from body lotions, bar soap, body wash, glow oil that you can pair them together in order to get a beautiful, glowy, and a lighter skin complexion. Before we dive into that, guys, a quick one, please. Kindly like this video if you're yet to, and subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips. So without taking much of your time, let us go straight to the point. The first combo I have for you guys is what I call the intense glow combo. This combo consists of a body lotion, a body wash, and a very good oil. So now, starting with the body lotion that you'll be needing in order to get an intensive glowy skin and a brighter complexion is the Skin by Zaron Vitamin C Hydrating Body Lotion. Guys, this body lotion is very good, and you're going to be pairing it with the Dove Pampering Body Wash, and then you're going to be adding the Palmer's Cocoa Butter Therapy Oil. Guys, did you see this three combo I just gave you guys? This combination is going to help to even out your skin. The vitamin C in the Skin by Zaron is going to help to brighten your skin. It's also going to help to hydrate your skin. This Dove Pampering Shower Gel is going to cleanse your skin. As it is cleansing your skin, it will also help you replace the moisture that was taken out of your skin during the cleansing process. It's not going to leave your skin dry, guys. And then this particular Palmer's Cocoa Butter Therapy Oil, this oil is going to help to even out your skin. It's going to help to improve skin elasticity. If you're suffering from stretch marks or dark spots, this oil is going to help you reduce the appearance of stretch marks. Please go ahead and try this combo, and then when you try it, come back and share your experience here in the comment section. I'll be waiting for you guys. Okay, now the next combination I have for you guys is, I call this particular combo a radiant, glowing, and brightening combo. So if you want to have a radiant skin, if you want to have a brighter skin complexion, you want to remove dullness from your skin, guys, go with this combo. And this combo comprises of this particular body wash from St. Ives. That's the shea butter and oats body wash from St. Ives. You're going to be pairing it with the Face Fact Vitamin C Lotion. You are going to be adding the Vaseline Vitamin B3 Niacinamide Body Oil. The St. Ives Shea Butter and Oat Body Wash is going to help to gently cleanse your skin. Guys, if you have a sensitive skin, you can go ahead and use this body wash. If you have a combination skin, you can go ahead and use this body wash. This body wash is also a very good moisturizing body wash. It's going to gently cleanse your skin. And then the Face Fact Vitamin C body lotion. Guys, we all know that the Face Fact products are doing wonders. They are trying when it comes to body lotion and other things. So this particular vitamin C Face Fact body lotion is going to help to even out your skin tone. It's going to help to remove dullness from your skin. If you're suffering from hyperpigmentation or uneven skin tone, guys, this body lotion is going to help. And then lastly, we're going to be combining it with the Niacinamide Vitamin B3 Vaseline Oil. Guys, this oil is going to help to brighten your skin. If you're suffering from skin dullness, if you combine these two products that I mentioned with this particular oil, guys, you're going to see wonders. It's going to even out your skin, because if you look at it, all the ingredients that I just mentioned that are in this product, they are packed with a lot of goodness, and they are going to work in harmony in order to do what they're supposed to do and even out your skin tone. The third combo I have for you guys is what I call the super hydrating combo. This combo is perfect for those people that have a dry skin. So if you have a dry skin and you need something that is going to hydrate your skin and brighten your skin and glow your skin at the same time, this particular combo is for you guys. The first product in this combo is the Ashanti Papaya Bar Soap. You're going to be pairing this bar soap with the Face Fact Hyaluronic Acid body lotion, guys. And when it comes to oil, you're going to be pairing this particular combo with the Vid Gold vitamin C oil. Guys, did you see this three combo? If you have a dry skin, the hyaluronic acid in the body lotion, in the face fat body lotion, is going to moisturize your skin 247. It's going to help your skin to retain moisture throughout the day. It's going to help to smoothen your skin and also keep your skin softer. Guys, the vitamin C with gold oil is going to help to brighten your skin, and is going to help to even out your skin and also lock in moisture. The Ashanti papaya soap is going to help to cleanse your skin properly, and is also going to help to brighten your skin and give you that glowing effect that you need. If you look at these three combos that I gave you guys, I have one moisturizing product, I have one brightening or lightening product, and then the oils which are supposed to glow your skin. Now, the mistake that a lot of people are making is they give their skin overdose of some lightening, whitening, or brightening ingredient. Your body lotion is vitamin C, your bar soap is vitamin C, your glow oil is vitamin C. Guys, it is very, very wrong. It is not good to choke your skin with too many active ingredients. If your body lotion is vitamin C, is okay. Look for another mild bar soap or a mild body oil to pair it with. But by the time your body lotion is kojic acid, your bar soap kojic acid, every of your skincare ingredient contains a very strong active or even the same active. Guys, at the end of the day, there is no how you are going to have an even skin tone. You are going to continue to have hyperpigmentation and your skin will never be even. Why? Because you are not giving your skin space in between your routine in order for it to relax, in order for it to breathe. You are bombarding your skin with a lot of active ingredients that at the end of the day, instead of all those products to work, they will end up working against you. You'll begin to see that you are using a product, but that product is not working. Take note of any of this combo. Go and try this combo that I just shared with you guys. After trying it, come back here and tell me how your experience has been. Just be consistent with any of this combo, guys. Be consistent with any of these combos and you're going to love your skin. Okay, if you made it to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching, you guys. And if you're still yet to subscribe, please guys, kindly subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give me a very big thumbs up and turn on the notification bell if you're yet to, so that anytime I upload interesting content like this, you'll be among the first people to be notified. See you guys in our next video. Bye.